If you are not here earlier when I do live, you know that I didn't do something wrong. That's why my viewers ask me, why you get banned even you did not do wrong? You did not say anything? Oh, right now, I can say it, putang ina nyo. Yan, pwede nyo akong i-ban. Pwede nyo sabihin inappropriate behavior. Okay? Oh, why you cannot, ban me right now? Ngayon, nagmumura ako, hindi nyo ako ibaban. Kanina, binand nyo ako kahit wala akong ginagawa. Ay, Maku. Yung mga iba dito, nagre-report for fun only. Oo. Hi, DC. For just fun only. Do whatever you want. Pwede kita i-unban. No, hindi. Matagal, B. 10 minutes lang naman. It's okay, I'm yours. I can unban myself also kasi may dami account ako. Naka SBIP3. But it's useless. It's useless kung i-unban mo. Hindi naman yan mababan. Before I banned 1 hour, it's my first time to get banned 1 hour. When I joined the event in other family, I get banned 1 hour only because of the condom. I saw the condom. I saw its name. That's why I get banned 1 hour. Oh, that's the perfect reason. I cannot refuse it. Why I do get banned? But it's unfair a while ago that you banned me. Kakalive ko lang, biglang pinatay, sasabihin. You double check it, guys. Sa mga admin dito, what's the purpose of being admin here in these apps? Kung hindi nyo chine-check. Kaya nagre-reklamo yung ibang host dito eh. Kasi may nang-guilt trip, may nagre-report, kahit wala ka namang ginagawa. That's too much. Saglit lang. Pag ako nag-unban, but still your choice. That's too much. Saglit lang. Pag ako nag-unban, but still your choice. No, alam mo, nakarami na nag-unban sa akin before when I get banned 1 hour only, 24 hours only. I get banned. 3 SPIP unbanned me. Pero hindi na ban. Malalakas na yung mga account nila. Oo. Yun, 24 hours lang yun. Tatlong tatlong SBIP na 3 na yung nag-unban. Pero wala pa rin. Until I waited it until 24 hours. Oh, it's very useless. It's very useless. Ako bawal at overprotective ako. Anyways, I already chatted them. At least, I express it to them. Ba't ako matatakot? Oh, it's my choice naman to take its action. Oo, nabawasan na point. Tapos, wala naman, lintek sila. Diba? What's the purpose of unbanning? Naglagay pa kayo ng mga unbanning. You cannot unban naman. Tapos, buti sana kung i-return nyo yung diamonds ng mga SBIP. Yan ang problema dito sa apps nyo. Pasalamat kayo, bumabalik pa dito yung mga ibang no? Ay na, pag ako nagde-demonyo, pag ako mawala ng pakialam, babalik ako doon sa ibang apps ko. Doon na lang ako sa ibang apps ko. No? Pag ako na-demonyo. Mas mabilis dito, US. US din yung nag-unban sa akin. I'm yours. US din nag-unban sa akin. Tatlo na nag-unban sa akin. From US, yung isa from Singapore, yung isa sa Philippines. Yan, si Love You from Philippines. Wala pa rin unban. Hashtag, tampo pa more. Rock lang MM. Bakit ganun katagal? I can't believe that. Yeah, that's why. And then, they already, message because they do unban me pero they didn't do actions, so it's useless. Parang sinayang lang nila yung diamonds